How to set an affiliate blog up for success. First of all, there are a lot of ways to do affiliate marketing and a lot of people who also are doing it wrong. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can set up your own affiliate blog or your own affiliate landing pages up for complete success. So let's get to it. One of the most common mistakes people make when promoting products or services is they do not know anything about them. So if you're not able to convey how good that software or how good that product is, you will never get other people excited about it as well. So the first advice is to pick a niche that you know a lot about yourself and you have a passion for. It is really important that you show this inside your sales pages, because otherwise people will catch on and they will leave your sales page or your landing page before you even get them in as a lead. Second thing we can advise is do not try to sell only on your sales or landing pages. The number one objective of a successful affiliate marketer is to get people onto their list instead of just straight up selling a product. So the way to do this is to offer any kind of lead magnet, anything that is valuable and that is somewhat related to the product or service you are getting them interested in. So having them on your list is way more important than getting that first sale in, because you can keep following up with them by email or by chatbot or something like that. So a few examples of lead magnets could be ebooks, exclusive videos where you're doing a complete and in-depth review of the product or service yourself, exclusive videos where you are going to give full tutorials on the product itself. So as soon as they buy from your page, they will get access to those full in-depth tutorials. Discounts to the promoted products if they opt in by giving their email or opt in by going to your chatbot, for example. And these are just a few examples of lead magnets. So the next step is pick a good hosting and install WordPress on it. So a good hosting is essential as it will allow you to run complete websites at a good speed. And search engines and website visitors both love really fast websites. So keep that in mind when choosing your hosting provider. After that, install WordPress as your platform to build websites on, because it's by far the most versatile and user-friendly way of building websites. Once done, the next step will be to install Affiliate Booster to design your pages. Affiliate Booster is a fantastic way to get your website up and running. With its pre-made blocks and its versatile theme, you can create any design you like without having to know any kind of coding whatsoever. So designed your website, it's time to check your page score. Go to gtmetrics.com and run a speed test on your own website and see how fast it will be right outside of the box. And this is just a test from us with a blog post and a speed test. By using Affiliate Booster to design your website and using the above tips, there should be no reason whatsoever that you are not able to run successful affiliate campaigns from now on. So good luck!